Today we're gonna try and curl our hair on random household objects like lamps and champagne glasses. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Ingle, and today we're gonna try and curl our hair on weird things that are not meant to have hair curled on them, like lamps. And I showed you the champagne glass and forks and pepper shakers and lipstick tubes. I've got a lot of weird things. I don't know if this is gonna work, but theoretically it should, because we recently did a hair science video. And basically we learned about heating up hair and why that curls it. Same with getting it wet. Basically, if you heat it and it cools down that way, when it's cool, it should be stuck that way. In my last video, we reacted to hair TikToks, and in one of those, a girl curled her hair on her car door because her car had been outside in the sun all day and was really hot. And I was like, theoretically, based on the hair science video, we should be able to do that with anything. We should be able to do it with doorknobs in our house. Which I'm not going to do today, though we could, because I'm gonna stay planted in the studio. So without any further ado, because we've been doing a lot, oh goodness. It is lamp time, and I'm about to try and hopefully not destroy my lamp, and we're gonna heat up this pole right here with a heat gun. I feel like this is probably one of the first times in one of my videos I've ever needed to make this statement, but please don't try this at home. I probably shouldn't be trying it. I've got my heat protectant spray over there. I have to actually, the spray doesn't work. I lost the proper spray bottle, so maybe if I just like, put a little in my hand. Oh! I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, I just spilled liquid all over the extension cord and all the plugs. Please don't try this at home. Okay, I've cleaned up my very dangerous spill all over all of my cords plugged in. And now I'm going to heat this guy up. I kind of want to feel it a little. It's kind of warm. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. This is a little more difficult than it should be. It's very difficult as one human. The good and beyond to the rescue. Could we turn this and then I can like coil my hair up it? I got it now. Thank you. It's not super hot. Like I can touch it and it's hot, but I wonder if it will curl. I don't know how many Mississippis to wait. Come on now. It worked! I curled my hair on a lamp. It actually worked pretty well. And you know what? I bet it's less damaging because it wasn't insanely hot. So throw away your curling iron, grab yourself a lamp. I'm so amazed by this. So can you curl your hair on a lamp? Yes, you can. I think we need to do the pepper shaker. I've got some heat protectant spray on this strand, and now we heat it up. This is not that hot, so I'm really testing it here to see how cool we can get one of these things and still curl our hair, because like I am full on, I've got my hands all over it and it's not burning my hands. So, okay, let's see. Okay, that actually did curl. I don't know if you can tell because these are such big curls because it's on this huge thing and it wasn't very hot, but that did curl. Why are our curling irons so hot? Like literally a baby could play with this. It's just like someone sat on it. I'll heat it up a little more and then we'll do it one more time. Say that's pretty warm. I was still able to touch it, so it's not like a curling iron here. Okay, I think I'm gonna try and take it off now. I don't think it's cooled down as much as it should have, but I think we're in a very large, yeah, it's a very, very large curl because it's a very, very large object, but it's definitely curled. I curl my hair in a pepper shaker! So can a pepper shaker curl your hair? Yes, it can. Let's see what next. I think you're supposed to put fruit in this. The great beyond has spoken. You're not supposed to put food in this. It's supposed to be put utensils in. But I always did things like put bananas and stuff in it. So I've been using this the wrong way already. So to curl my hair on it, it's not that much of a difference. So let's grab a strand. Ooh, that's hot. I got the hair prepped. Now I gotta heat the thing. This will definitely make an interesting pattern. So I think we're just gonna say that's long enough. It's been on here. Let's take it off. Oh my goodness, I'm like ramen noodle hair. It's a very, very crimpy curl, but it absolutely works. So can you curl your hair on a utensil banana holder? Whatever this is. Yes, you can. Okay, let's try the lipstick. I'm not gonna actually keep the lipstick in there because I don't want it to melt. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on this end just because I think it'll be a little easier. Should be ready. Can you curl your hair on a lipstick tube? Whoa, yep, you can. Quite well, I might add. I pulled that out pretty strongly and it still, whoop, there we go. Bounced right back into a curl. I am willing to bet here we can curl our hair with a fork after heating it up with a blow dryer. You don't even require having a heat gun for this. I bet we can. I'm also gonna kind of brush my hair out with the fork because, you know, dingle hoppers. I think we'll try this end. All right, let's try it. We might get some strange shaped curls because it's like a flat curling thing, but who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Oh, it definitely worked. But the odd shape of the fork made it a very angular curl. There's a corner in my hair. You don't even need a heat gun. You can literally just use your blow dryer to heat up random objects in your house and then use it to curl your hair, and it's so much less damaging. So can you curl your hair on a fork? Yes. I really wanted to try and curl my hair on a C-stand because I have so many of them. If you don't know what a C-stand is, it's basically a multi-purpose stand that you'll see with a lot of video or photography studios. I've got a ton of them, but it was hard to get one into my little space, my little like cocoon of light I sit in. So this is just a little grip head. Not really that warm, but we'll try it anyway. It's not that hot. I can sit here with my hand on it. Okay, it should be. Just uncoil it. Yep, you can curl your hair on a grip head. Okay, so I have heat protectant, spray it. I'm about to try wrapping my hair around a champagne glass that has hot water in it. This is gonna be one of those ones where we're gonna need like the big curls, you think? I don't feel like we even need to leave this that long. I bet it's already curled. Yep, it's already curled. That's impressive.
Most impressive.
Wow, so you can definitely curl your hair on a champagne glass. All right, we have one left. And now for my most bizarre idea. Light bulb. I can't even handle it. I can't even handle it. Thank you, Great Beyond. I'm gonna try and curl my hair on a light bulb. This is a spooky lighting. Okay, let's try it. I feel like it's already probably curled. Yep. Idea worked. Can you curl your hair on a light bulb? Powered just by light bulb, nothing else heated it up. Yes. All right, I need to stop playing with this. Wow, so this worked way better than I thought it was going to. And if anything, not just because there was a light bulb involved, it was very illuminating because I had no idea how little heat it takes to curl something. Like literally just heating something up with a blow dryer where you can still touch it and feel it is enough to curl your hair, which makes me wonder why all the curling irons start at such a high temperature. It seems like so unnecessary, extra damaging to your hair, potentially dangerous to yourself because you can burn yourself on it. So now I'm gonna be on the hunt for a low temperature curling iron because I might actually curl my hair more if it doesn't take that much heat. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I would rather curl my hair on a lamp than on a curling iron. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What do you think I should try to curl my hair on next? Because I have a feeling we need to do more of this. Give this a thumbs up if you want to see me try and curl my hair on more things. The internet just needs to see more of this. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe. We put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so ring the little bell if you want those to come right to you. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along this really fun journey, very unexpected journey.
I'm going on an adventure!
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I look like one of those little like cat clocks that I like. No idea if this is gonna work, so whoa. So what prompted all of this is that Reese. I'm aggressive today, I think. No! Yeah! I just have to be careful not to like accidentally sit this on my leg because that part gets hot.
Oh, that's hot.
Somehow find true peace of mind. Now all my neighbors will be like, what is wrong with you? Yeah!